Look at that steak.
Look at that.
Yeah. You want to bring it out to room temperature about a half hour to an hour before you want to cook it. So right now it is 20 till, so around 6:15-ish. Start putting them on the grill. Just flake that kosher salt a little high so it spreads kind of evenly. Just repeat it with every steak. Really all you need is salt. You don't even have to put pepper. I love this Montreal seasoning. It just has all the good stuff. I always have it. I always use it. You buy it at Costco. How convenient is that? I take a bunch of these fire starters, throw them in here, and I mix up lump charcoal with regular charcoal because I'm lazy. Because lump charcoal is big, but it's hotter, it burns hotter and everything. But the regular charcoal kind of fills in. So I do this, where I keep everything on one side, hot side and cool side, and I'll show you that. It'll make more sense here a little bit later. So get my fire starters going. So let's fill it in with lump charcoal. I use regular charcoal on top. Kind of smoldering, but I know it's redundant. All right, using the fire starter and the lighter, but I don't care. I care about results. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for this fire to get right. So I watch a little bit because I want everything to start turning from black to gray. And right before the charcoal turns mostly gray, about 50 to 75% gray, that's when I put the meat on. And that's when it's gonna be at its hottest. I put all the lump charcoal on the bottom, right? I put the regular charcoal on the top. But look at that fire it's creating. So now when I put the grill on, you know, it's gonna be hot. That's gonna be hot. So when I put the steaks on there, it's gonna be scorching. Look at that. Just sear it for a couple seconds. Boom. That's what will give it flavor. And then I just put the temp in there. Oh, I do about 30 seconds on each side here. And I do that so I can do the cross hash because it just looks pretty. We eat with our eyes. And then, so I always put everything on the hot side and I transfer it to the cool side here. And then once I put it on the cool side, just like an oven, like if you're cooking a steak inside your house, you want to sear it on your cast iron. And then you want to put it in your oven to cook at 500 degrees. It's the same kind of concept here. So I'm treating like this like my cast iron. I just wanted to get it seared here first. And then I put it in my oven to finish it off. So right now, I got the temperature in here, it's only 82 degrees. Medium rare is 125. So you wanna put it in there, once it gets to 125, you pull it out. And you have perfectly cooked steaks. You cook on fire, cook on fire. All right. So this is like, usually 6 steaks is like the most I cook. Then cover this up here. I I wait till that gets to 125, then I pull it out. So it should take like 15 minutes. A lot of people get their steaks done right away. I kiss it with heat and then I let it cook.